So hello students, in the third video of H parameter model we have discussed how to draw the hybrid model of transistor for different configuration of transistor. This is hybrid model, H parameter model for common emitter transistor, right? So in which input is given at base emitter junction and output is taken from collector to emitter. Correspondingly you will get one input circuit and output circuit. The terminal which is common is grounded, right? Here emitter is common, that means it is grounded. Now see here, this input current is IB, input voltage is VB, base voltage. So IB and VB, they are the input side voltage and current. VC and IC, they are the output side voltage and current. Similarly, if you want to draw the common base configuration of transistor, then base will be common, right, between input circuit and output circuit. So here input voltages are emitter voltage and emitter current. These are the input parameter VE, IE, and output parameter are VC and IC. So see here, this equation VE is equal to HIB plus HRB VC. It is, if you apply KVL, it will easily, you can write this equation. Apply KVL in this loop, you can write this equation, right? So since this is the left side, there is a voltage, that means this term will also be voltage and this will also be voltage. So this is a series circuit, right? This equation, if you want to draw the model for this equation, you will make a series circuit, that means and voltage source in series with its impedance HIV, right? The same we are doing in all the models, HIE in series with HRE VC, right? So the voltage drop in this impedance is HIV into IE. Similarly, voltage drop in this impedance is HIE IB. Now the second equation is current equation. IC is equal to HIB IE plus HOV VC. So this left side there is a current, that means this term will also be current, this will also be current. So now if you want to represent the second equation by a circuit, then you will have to draw a parallel circuit, right? You will have to draw a parallel circuit because this is equation of current. So when you apply KCL at this node, you can write this HOV is admittance, right? So what is current in this branch? Current will be voltage across this branch, which is VC, and admittance is HOV. So current in this branch will be HOV VC. HOV VC. Now what is if you apply KCL at this node, you will write IC is equal to this current plus this current, that means HFB IE plus HOV VC. Similarly, you can draw the model, a hybrid model for common collector configuration. So here collector is common, that means it is grounded. It is common, collector is common between input circuit and output circuit. So VB and IB are the input voltage and current respectively, and output voltage and current are VE and IE. So VB is equal to HIC IB plus HRC VE. This is the, you can get this equation by applying KVL in this loop, right? So this will be a series circuit. See here, HIC IB will be the voltage drop in this impedance in series with this voltage source HRC VE, right? Now IE is equal to HFC IB plus HOC VE. This will be the equation for the current, that means you have to draw this parallel circuit, right? So to represent this second equation, you will have to draw this parallel circuit. That means what is current in this branch? Current in this branch is voltage across this branch multiplied by this admittance HOC, that means VE into HOC, VE into HOC. Now if you apply KCL at this node, you will get this current IE is equal to this sum of this current plus this current. This current is equal to this current plus this current, that means IE is equal to HOC VE plus HFC IB, right? Now these are some formulas which you have to use. So dear students, see here, this table I have already discussed, right, in the earlier videos. Now performance of transistor Here I will take common emitter configuration. I told you that common emitter is widely and popularly used transistor configuration for amplification purpose, right? So we will take common emitter configuration for all our calculations, right? Now performance of transistor for common emitter configuration in H parameter model. So while studying the performance of transistor, we are interested in the following terms. Number one, input impedance. Input impedance is given by Zn, Z suffix n. Input impedance is equal to H11 minus H12, H21, H22 plus 1 by RL, right? So if you, for common emitter, if you replace this parameter H11, H12, H21 by their respective symbol, then you will get Zn is equal to Hie minus Hre Hfe, right? H12 for common emitter I told you is Hre, H12 is Hre, and what is H21? H21 is Hfe for common emitter. And what is H22? H22 is Hoe. So put this value, right? So H12 is Hre, H21 is Hfe divided by Hoe plus 1 by RL, and H11 is input impedance shown by Hi. So this becomes the formula. We are not going in the derivation. Obviously you can derive this formula, right? So this Zn is equal to Hie minus Hre Hfe divided by Hoe plus 1 by RL. So RL is a load resistance. RL is a load resistance. Second is current gain. The general expression of current gain is AI. It is represented by A suffix I. A is the gain, I is current gain. Suffix I shows the current gain. Is given by H21 by 1 plus H22 RL, right? Now replace these two parameters. H21 is replaced by Hfe for common emitter, and H22 is replaced by Hoe for common emitter. R suffix L is load resistance. These values will be given to you, right? He will give you these values. You simply have to put these values in this expression and find out the current gain, right? So substituting the values of H parameter for the transistor and common emitter, you will get this equation. AI is equal to Hfe divided by 1 plus HoeRL, right? Put these given values and find out this AI. Third term is voltage gain. That means the general expression is given by this formula. A suffix B is the voltage gain. It is equal to minus H21 divided by H22 plus 1 by RL into Zn. Replace this parameter, you will get this. AB is equal to minus Hfe divided by Hoe plus 1 by RL into Zn. So expression for Zn, AI, AV for common base and common collector configuration can be obtained similarly, right? All these things were for common emitter configuration. Obviously you can write all those formulas for common base and common collector also configurations, right? Now let us see how he will ask the numericals. So you will be asked to calculate this parameter: input impedance, current gain, voltage gain, etc., etc. He will ask you this parameter to calculate. See here. In this equation, see, he has given you a common emitter amplifier. Common emitter amplifier has a following parameter: Hie, that is input impedance, given by 1100 ohm. Hre is given as 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, right? Hfe is 50, Hoe is 25 micro mho, right? If the load and the source resistance both are 1 kilo ohm, then find out the current and voltage gain. So source resistance Rs is 1 kilo ohm as well as load resistance is given as 1 kilo ohm. So apply the formula for current gain. AI is equal to Hfe divided by 1 plus HoeRL. Put these values, use your calculator and find out the answer. So 48.78 is current gain. Similarly, for voltage gain AV, apply the formula minus Hfe divided by Hoe plus 1 by RL into Zn. Put these values and get your answers, right? So first of all, use this formula of input impedance Zi is equal to Hi minus Hre Hfe divided by Hoe plus 1 by RL, right? calculate Zi input impedance from here, put all these values of HRE, HFE, RL, HOE, you will get input impedance 1087.5 ohm, and now you put this Zn into this expression, equation number 1, and then you will get voltage gain, right? Voltage gain comes out to be minus 45.97, right? Now this negative sign shows that the output voltage is 180 degree out of phase, right? Negative indicate that output voltage is 180 degree out of phase with respect to input signal, right? That means you will get this minus sign. Is that clear? Right?